Hey crafty friends, it's Rena and I wanted to show you a new design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. And I ordered this graphic 45 mixed media album. It doesn't have to be for mixed media. I did not use it for mixed media. So it comes with all these wonderful things, these folder inserts with pockets. There's my dog. Let me grab her toy. Oh, she left. Okay. It comes with vellum sheets. It comes with craft sheets. They all already have the holes in them, and it comes with these like cream colored sheets. Ivory, it's called. And it comes with these little photo corners. So you get those. I didn't know what these were at first. I had to figure it out. So now I'm telling you. So I created my planner. That's what I did with it. I created a planner. And I still have all of this left over. And it's thick. So highly recommend this. I think it was like only around $18. So a really good price. And I got to customize it for what I was doing. I used the Stamperia Around the World paper because I created this for my new project with my honey and our new channel and so forth. So this is what I used. And I had ordered two paper pads of the Around the World, and I used, I don't know, I didn't even use a whole pad. So here it is, and it's really a really nice size. Let's see, like 8 by 8.5, and this is going to be perfect for us. I like that it comes already, you know, pre-made. I didn't have to make this. You get the binder, and it's got the rings in it already. So I printed out our logo and just framed it out, and then I used, these are not the photo corners from that. I wanted bigger ones on the front, so I just cut my own. But this is the paper from the collection. And then here and here. So one of the same page all the way around, you know, the outside. So I did use one sheet from one collection, and then I pulled the same sheet from the second collection, so I had enough for both. So when you open it up, it opens like this, and I loved the Paris paper as well, so I did add that here. And let me show you. I had planned at the time I was making this to use this acetate pocket that some packaging came in. And I was going to put that on there because I want like a scratch pad for this, so I can scribble out, you know, stuff really quickly. So I'm probably going to put this in here, and I'm going to get a scratch pad that I can slide in here. I just didn't have one at the moment, but I like that idea because I want to keep this part really neat and organized. So this will be where my scratch pad is, and then this will be where all my other stuff is. So I printed this calendar, just Googled 2019 calendars online. I circled the birthdays. I know whose birthdays they are. And then on the back, I printed a 2020 calendar. So I used the vellum sheet to put the name of the category of what I'm working on. And I love that you can see what's underneath it. So you can see the airplane, you can see the bicycle. And then when you flip that, you have this. And then we go to here. So this particular part, the name of our business is Vintage Stuff and Thangs. So this is going to be purchases. So I've been, you know, yesterday I kept track of our purchases. I can tuck receipts or anything like that. Extra things about purchases I can tuck in this pocket. So, you know, I have all these sheets that I pulled out of another folder that I had, and I punched the holes in them. And I'm just keeping track of all of our purchases. Then back here in the back pocket, I put one of these postcards. And again on this side, a postcard. But these pockets, again, can be anything for that purchase category. So then our next page is Vintage Stuff and Things Inventory. And I'm not real up to date with my inventory right now. So that's something I'm going to be working on. We have inventory in storage, and we have inventory here on the property. So I'll be keeping track of all of that. And I have plenty of pages there. Another postcard here from the collection. I love the vintage style paper because our business name is Vintage Stuff and Things. Another postcard. Vintage bicycle, price $75. Building purchases. So we did purchase 2 buildings. So we have this beautiful paper. You know, I could even add a strip to make another pocket if I wanted to. I just love the vintage look of the paper. And these like ticket styles, these come with the collection. You just fussy cut them out. And again, I have a pocket here. So this is all about the buildings and the expense of the buildings, and then payments on the buildings. And then this is like supplies for the buildings. So, and then in the back, we have another pocket with a postcard. And a pocket here with a postcard. So this section is going to be about our YouTube channel. We've got more of the letters. And another pocket here. So channel video ideas, I started out with that. And then I'll keep track of, you know, what our first video is and what we're going to talk about and so forth and so on. So that's this section. And we have the pocket section, and I was out of postcards, so I didn't put a postcard in each one. This second section is about market plans, so the markets that we'll be going to. And these are some of the markets in our area. The ones that I had dates for, I did put the dates in. And then as we get things rolling, because we have to have the availability to photograph our inventory in a manner that we would display it. So we can't even start applying to these markets until we get that building done and we have enough product to start taking photos. So that'll be a while. And then I have this last category is tools, and it is blank because that's going to be Honey's thing. And we're going to be keeping track of all the tools that we're purchasing and what tools that we need, you know, to get eventually. And then there's this extra pages back here for if I need to add any more there. And then I took 2 vellum pages and I used the score tape, which you can get at ASC Supplies on Etsy. I am very low on score tape, as you can see, but it's so necessary for projects like this because anytime you want to make a pocket, you need score tape. So anyway, I took the score tape and I put tape all along the edges and left this part open. And then I put the other one on top of it, and voila, I made a pocket. So if I need to store any other receipts or anything like that. Then back here, I have 3 pockets. So a deep one here that goes all the way to the bottom, and then I have this one here. And I think I have this one here. There we go. So, you know, this is something that I'm going to take with us to markets. And when I meet people, you know, I'll tuck business cards in here. And, you know, there might be flyers for other markets that I come across that I'll tuck in there. So this is just going to be a really, really great way for me to keep track of everything. And I love it. And it's way better than this, which is for my other business. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm not kidding you. This is a great deal for like like I said, around $18 for this. And you can just customize it how you want, and your binder's already made for you, for those of you who, you know, are intimidated by making your own binder. So anyway, thanks for watching. Head over to ASC Supplies. I will link everything in the description box down below. I think orders over 75 ship free. Super fast shipping, really great customer service. If you have any questions, just reach out and they'll take care of you. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.